Hello traders, this is Trading Gate. Welcome to the channel. In this channel, usually we post new strategies, both swing trading, scalping, and for position trading, long-term trading strategies you can utilize for your trading life. In this video, we're going to introduce a new strategy using two indicators and for future market. And that's why I'm going to use 15-minute time frame for the future market. But before going to the strategy, please like, comment below the video and subscribe to channel. It makes us motivated to post more videos in future. And it's good to mention that this is just educational video. It's not just financial advice or anything. You can just use it for any kind of market or time frames before using any kind of like strategy that you see on the YouTube or anywhere. Please backtest the strategy first. Okay, let's jump into the strategy. For this strategy, I'm gonna use two indicators. Lots of people, they don't have time to do the price actions, and they just want a simple signal from some indicators and then go in and go out from the strategy. This is a strategy I use. I'm using that for like future markets and for crypto. Not all assets. Some the assets with high liquidity like Binance Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I usually use Binance Coin, but here because there's lots of markup on the Binance, I use Ethereum here. For this strategy, I'm going to use a relative strength index, RSI plus MACD. That's why, but I'm not going to use it like that. I'm going to go to the setting. I'm going to use the source of RSI from MACD. And then I'm going to go to style. I'm going to change the upper band to 66 and then the lower band to 33.33. Okay. You can enter the position once the indicator crosses up the lower band, and you enter the short position once the indicator crosses down from the upper bound. So let's backtest a couple of trades. The reason we use this source for RSI is if you use the close of the candles, you can see it's really lots of noise, and it's really hard to detect when to enter, when to exit. I'm then gonna use the source for the MACD, and then I'm gonna go. Let's jump from the last. I'm gonna delete this position. Okay. This is the first one. This is the most recent trade that we can take. I'm gonna go with the short position. The enter would be, so this is the entrance. So this is a verification candle. It closes, and I'm gonna enter here. So the stop loss would be, that's why you need to add a little bit price action for stop loss. And you can see basically you can just choose the last high or low for a stop loss, and at least one for the like a take profit level. And this is a successful trade. You can see it depends on the asset you're trading or time frame. You can change the risk to reward ratio, and you can go for the higher. It's all depends on you. I'm gonna go for a long one here. So you can see this is a trading range. So usually it's not recommended to trade on the trading range, but the lower time frames might be good to get some profit. You can see this is this one is like a R to R 1.1. If you open a long position, exit when the indicator crosses up the upper bound, somewhere like that, right? So if you do that, it's gonna be somewhere like that. So it's gonna be up to here. It's like 1%. Okay, this is not 1% because I'm gonna use leverage. Okay, I usually I'm using like leverage. Somehow the stop loss would be acceptable risk for me. So for this one, I can use a leverage of 5. In that case, it's gonna give me a risk of like 3.5% of my the whole money I have, or the whole money I just entered in position. Here you can see, for example, I can enter position and exit at when the take profit level at the risk reward ratio of 1 achieved. You can see here, for example, this one is a short position. I'm gonna enter somewhere like that. It's too much. I'm gonna put it at the top of that big candle. As I told you, you need to utilize a little bit price action. You can see if it's R1, you're gonna have the profit of 3%. Utilizing a leverage of 5 or 10, it gives you 15%, like just in 10 hours. Thank you for watching this video. Please use a different asset, and some asset it's really successful trade, different winning rate in different assets and different time frames. Back this first and then let me know how it works on your charts. I'm using this for Binance Coin, as I've mentioned before. And please like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any comment. And okay, thank you so much for watching this video.